language. We are talking about Akara olu. Akara olu. What is Akara olu in English language? Can you remember? Since you can't remember, let me help you. Akara olu is called tone mark. Tone mark. And this tone mark is very essential and necessary in Igbo language, because Igbo language is a tonal language. You can't speak Igbo language without using a tone, because we have so many homographs in Igbo language. What do I mean by homographs? Words that are spelt alike but pronounced different way. Using a tone marking, you can differentiate these homographs. So what is Akara olu, which is tone mark in what is it? It is a mark that we add to some words that are homographs. They are marks that we use to differentiate between some words that are spelt alike but they are not pronounced the same way. They are not pronounced the same way. Example, the Akara olu that we have includes Akara elu, Akara ala, and Akara nsụda. There are only three. Akara elu can follow Akara ala. Akara elu can follow Akara nsụda. Akara elu can follow Akara elu. Akara ala can follow Akara ala, but Akara ala cannot follow Akara nsụda. Akara elu is high. Akara ala is low tone. Akara nsụda is the mid. This mid, the low cannot follow the mid. Rather, it will be low or low high. You can only see high mid. You can't see low mid. Example, we have Akwa. AKWA. AKWA are pronounced in 4 different ways. But it's the tone marking that will differentiate and that will explain to you that the way that we pronounce these are not the same. The first one is Akwa. Akwa. Akwa, cry. Akwa, cry, high.